so this is exciting. If you have been watching me for a while, you might remember how a couple of months ago I was chasing after this rainbow Chonkachu like a crazy person, and we are here with my very final Vivid Voltage pack. Well, at least until I buy more, but the last one that I have for now. And yeah, let's just skip the bullshit and see if we can actually pull the rainbow Chonkachu today. Let's go. And it's not the Chonkachu, but it is a pretty sick pull. I really like that. And if you guys would want me to open up some more Vivid Voltage to continue the chase for the Chonkachu, please just let me know. And other than that, just take care.